interesting.
Don't mind.
Can you tell me a question?
What is 8 times 10?
8 times 10? Simple. 80.
Yeah.
Well done.
Even if I'm in year 2, I got it. Yay. Daddy!
It's our mystery box. That means today we have a wonderful activity.
So, bye-bye books. Now let's open our mystery box. But, wait. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Danny and Julie One Lab, so you can get notifications of when we post some fun videos. Now let's get them out. It may be a wonderful adventure. Sauce.
No, that's not how you spell sauce. Sautress.
Sauce. No,
No,
I
I do saw. Do we have an E?
don't. We don't have E.
We sound spelled stew.
Stew.
Wait, we even have an R. Let's put the R at the front and then RTSW.
S. Urtus.
T R O W S. We found straws. Wait, does this mean we have to play with these?
Yes.
So today we're going to explain to you how to play 3 different games with straws. First, straw activity. We're going to build a trail.
And you will need, there aren't many things, but you can find them at home. You'll need 2 balls, 2 straws if you're playing with 2. You'll need sellotapes for both of you,
Masking tape, remember.
masking tape. Then you'll need a few toilet rolls, and then you'll need markers.
To start, I'm going to put the masking tape on the floor.
So guys, did you know something strange? We have toilet rolls to do tunnels.
We'll put masking tape in the toilet roll and just put it back on the truck. And we do the same thing on the other side.
And we don't need to do the line in the tunnel because we can't see in the tunnel.
Okay. Thank you, Julie.
Okay, so our train is ready.
Wow.
Daddy, are you ready?
Yes!
Steady, go. Oh, you're out of the train.
You, Danny.
I'm back in train. Uh-oh.
You must go back now, Danny. Oh, Danny's nearly in the tunnel. That's really hard.
Mama.
Julie, you must blow.
Arm out. Hey, Daddy, go now.
Well done.
Julie, you need to go back. You missed the tunnel. Even I have to go back because I missed that.
This one doesn't work.
Oh, so Julie thinks it's a straw problem.
Let me grab this one.
Oh, so now she choose the blue one. You see?
Did it go in the tunnel?
Yeah.
Yes.
Move, honey, move, Daddy, move, 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 move. No.
Wow, Julie, you're doing very well.
So guys, this is really hard.
Last tunnel.
Ah!
first one's gone.
Yay! So guys, we finished our first activity. Now we're going on the second activity.
For the second game, you need little pieces of paper, and you need two balls, and of course a straw.
You need to grab your straw and try and get the coloured papers and put them in your bowl.
Like Danny's doing,
At
yes.
the end, who gets the most wins. But you need to do it in 1 minute, and the loser will get a handful of papers.
Ready, steady, go! Oh, 3, 2, 1, stop! Ah.
So, guys, now it's time to count our papers. 27.
And
34. Ready, steady, go!
Guys, now it's time for our third activity.
And the messiest one.
I think, Mummy, after you'll have to clean the whole house.
Uh-oh.
And as you see, we are ready for our third and final straw activity. So, we'll need... Oh, wait, before we start, Danny, it's better to take the glasses off, otherwise you'll get them wet.
No need protected googles.
Oh, wow.
Get the water with a straw, and without making it full, put it in the cup. Whoever has the most water in out the cup will win.
Okay.
3.
3, 2, 1, go! Wow, Danny nearly fill up the glass. Oh no, Danny. So,
I think Danny's one's higher.
Yeah.
Danny, let's see. Yes, I think Danny won this game.